Here's how to turn any WhatsApp chat into a clean, searchable PDF in about 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly how it works. WhatsApp doesn't give you a real archive. The export it ships with is a messy text file in a zip, not something you'd send a lawyer or print or keep. First, open the chat in WhatsApp. Tap the three dots on Android or the contact name on iPhone. Pick Export Chat and include media if you want the images and voice notes. WhatsApp shares you a zip file. Save it to your computer, then open chattopdf.app and drop the zip straight onto the page. You'll see a preview with 4 style options. WhatsApp Classic if you want it to look like the real app. Clean document for legal or print use. Pick a tier and pay once. No subscription. And here it is. Your full chat as a proper PDF. Every message in order, every image in line, every timestamp preserved. You can search it, share it, print it, keep it forever. Your file lives on the server for 7 days, then auto-deletes. No training, no human review, just yours. That's how to convert WhatsApp to PDF. Links in the description. Use code VOICE25 for 25% off any tier.